Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
Qtum, Qtum, is a crossover blockchain application stage. It overcomes any barrier among Bitcoin and Ethereum by joining their best elements. Qtum utilizes the UTXO model of Bitcoin and the ERC20 token norm of Ethereum. This permits it to run brilliant agreements and decentralized applications, dApps, while as yet handling high volumes of exchanges rapidly. The Qtum group is driven by Patrick Dai, a previous Alibaba chief, and Bruce Fenton, board director of the Bitcoin Foundation. They have collected a great group of counselors, including Roger Ver, Anthony D'Iorio, Zhu Star, Misthas Inu, Kevin Goffman, and Wei Benhu. The Qtum project has gotten help from a few major names in the crypto space. In March 2017, they raised $1 million from Fenbushi Capital. In April 2017, they raised $4 million from Founders Fund Angel List, FF Angel. What's more, in September 2017, they brought $15 million up in an eco. What makes Qtum unique? The Qtum blockchain has two special advances that mean to address the four issues its originators seen as most hazardous in BTC and ETH blockchain stages: Account Abstraction Layer, AAL, and Decentralized Governance Protocol, DGP. The Account Abstraction Layer, AAL, takes into consideration more prominent interoperability between the Qtum blockchain and other blockchains and between savvy agreements and true applications. This is on the grounds that it really makes a span between various blockchains, considering more straightforward collaboration. Furthermore, AAL makes it conceivable to associate shrewd agreements with certifiable applications, which has been challenging to do up to this point. The Decentralized Governance Protocol, DGP, resolves the issue of administration in blockchain stages. Under DGP, explicit boundaries of the Qtum blockchain can be adjusted by any individual who holds Qtum tokens, including things like as far as possible or block size. Significantly, these progressions are made through casting a ballot, guaranteeing that all partners have something to do with how the stage is run. Also, DGP assists with making the Qtum stage more adaptable, as changes can be made rapidly and effectively if necessary. Together, these two innovations make Qtum a remarkable new choice for organizations and engineers searching for a hardy and financially savvy blockchain stage to construct their applications. What is Qtum, Qtum? Qtum has been intended to join the best elements of both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Utilizing a UTXO exchange model, Qtum can offer the security of Bitcoin with the additional usefulness of shrewd agreements and dApps. The stage additionally upholds DeFi applications, giving clients considerably more ways of utilizing Qtum. As of March 2021, there are more than 20 tokens made on the Qtum blockchain, making it one of the most adaptable stages that anyone could hope to find. Qtum, Qtum, price forecast. A few elements add to this hopeful Qtum cost expectation. Qtum, right off the bat, areas of strength for has with a huge and developing local area behind it. The group has likewise effectively executed its guide, bringing about different organizations and incorporations with significant organizations, for example, Google and Amazon Web Services. At last, the new send-off of principal net marking is supposed to drive further reception of Qtum as it becomes one of the most open stages for decentralized applications and savvy contracts. With these positive turns of events, it's no big surprise that the Qtum cost is figured to keep ascending all through 2030 and then some. Qtum, Qtum, current price. Qtum is at present worth $3.12. Qtum has moved minus 8.49% as of now with an exchanging volume of $68,841,626. Qtum is at present positioned 102 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $325,011,919. Qtum, Qtum, price prediction 2022. Qtum, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. Qtum. The Qtum cost estimate for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $4.67. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $4.36 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Qtum is supposed to have a base worth of $3.74. Quantum, Qtum, Price Prediction 2023. In 2023, Quantum Qtum cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Qtum will before long outperform $7.79. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the Qtum's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Qtum will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $6.23 and a typical exchanging cost of $6.86. Quantum, Qtum, Price Prediction 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $10.91 and Qtum might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Qtum is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $9.97 and a low of $9.35 in 2024. Quantum, Qtum, Price Prediction 2025. Assuming that Quantum effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money devotees, the Qtum coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Qtum will be green in 2025. The Qtum is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $14.02, with a base cost of $12.46 and a typical cost of $13.09. Quantum, Qtum, Price Prediction 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Qtum cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $16.20 by 2026, with a base cost of $15.58 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Qtum has a greatest value worth of $17.14. Quantum, Qtum, Price Prediction 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $19.32. On the off chance that Qtum figures out how to break the safe level in 2027,